Now what have we got here? I have to be honest, I've already cheated a little bit because these two I've already opened, but I've opened that one completely and that one I've nearly opened, but I know what that is. Well, I know what they all are. Well, I should do. I don't know which is what, but I know what I've ordered. I just got to work out which is what. Let's start with this one. Oh look, free tissue. We have got Microsoft Project for Windows. Yeah, those four are in okay condition, look, but that label's pretty manky. And then a load of blank discs. Oh, look, there's another project disc, and then a load of MTech blank floppy discs, or appear to be blank floppy discs. They'll need testing, so I'll have to do that a bit later. And oh, that's a surprise, bit of a bonus. Some old floppy disk labels. I bet the stickiness has gone on them though. And these next ones, these are two books. One I've never seen before, but one I used to actually have myself. Now this one I've not seen before. Collins Gem Internet. Wow. Using search engines, look. Now this one I used to have, I think it was when I was at college. Collins Gem Basic Facts of Computers. It's the new edition, look. Yeah, this is brilliant. What year is this? 1988, look. Wowzers. Ta-da! What have we got in here then? Let's have a look. Oh wow! Like banknotes. Look, it's theme park. Fantastic. Used to spend hours playing that game. That's right, this is theme park but without the box. Oh, now this is odd. Someone's laminated the cover. Look. That is odd. That's not normal. I reckon I know why the box is missing. I reckon that this was a loan copy you could borrow from the library. Did you know you could do that in the past? You could go to this place called a library and they didn't just have books, they had software you could book out. Wow. That'll make a good display piece. And what have we got here? Lemmings 1991, look. Again, no box. That would look really cool, don't you think? In a display frame, hang on the wall. Yeah, lovely. Ooh. Soap dispenser. Doubt that. A mouse. A cereal mouse. Look at that. Ugh, a dirty cereal mouse. Microsoft one. Cereal mouse 2.0A. There you go. That is going to be brilliant. What's this? Oh. Ooh. Hi, I'm Paul Page from Papyrus, and this is Indy Car Racing. Meow. Oh, look at that. Tell you what the keys are. Fantastic. Installation guide. 486 33 megahertz or better. Well, I think I've definitely got or better. Right, what have we got in this one? Another mouse. A mouse in a plastic case to keep it in, look. Oh wow. Another cereal one, look. But this is one of the original horrible hurt your hand mice because it's not ergonomic yet, look. It's a bit of design to it. Wow, that's in relatively good condition. Just need a bit of a clean. And that's how expensive things used to be, like put it away in a proper box to keep it clean. Whereas now, you just leave it on the desk. Lovely jubbly. Ah, I know what these are. These are more mice. But they're not cereal mice. And they're not PS2 mice. And they're not coming out of the box mice. These are PCMCIA mice. 4 of them, brand new. Old stock. Look at that. Easy to stow, ready to go. Look, we put it in the PCMCIA slot. Not to use it, but to charge it up. It's Bluetooth. Assuming your laptop of that day has got Bluetooth. Aha, right, I know what this one is because this came today. It's what I've been waiting for. Well, I think I know what it is. It's the right size. I think it's a keyboard. A very well, properly packed, makes a change keyboard. Look at that. Someone's took some care with that. Now this is for an IBM laptop. Now I don't even know if this is going to fit the laptop that I've brought it for, because they only showed this side. They didn't show the back, showing me where the connectors were. And I think they had these tucked under like that so you couldn't actually see. I'm sure it'll fit. Well, it'll be fun taking the laptop apart anyway. Right, just to recap, I've got a keyboard. Some PCMCIA mice. A genius, horrible, non-ergonomic square mouse that I love. 2 fantastic little books. Don't copy that floppy. Dirty cereal Microsoft mouse. Lemmings. Theme park. Laminated. Odd. Indie car racing. Meow. Lovely jubbly. Thanks for watching. Click on the like button if you've enjoyed watching this video, and click on subscribe if you don't want to miss my next one. See you next time.